How's it going, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. And in this video I got a dope one coming. Went out fishing for bass and ended up turning into a sight fishing video for bowfin. I caught a really giant one. It was just a dope video, dope day to be out in the water. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Yeah, they're on my... Oh my goodness. Hold up. Hold up. Got him! Oh my God! Got him! Oh my God! Oh, he came up! Got him! Yes, sir, baby! Let's go! You know that. Oh my goodness, that's a huge bowfin. Got him. Oh my goodness. Holy giant. Oh my goodness. 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 Yes! Wow, that's a giant. Alright folks, big bowfin in the net. I'm gonna try to set up the camera as best as I can while I get this out, so bear with me please. Alright folks, giant bowfin. This isn't the best footage, I know, but I got great footage I can get on my phone, great pictures. But 11.20 pound bowfin, one of the biggest bowfin I've caught in a very long time. Gonna let him go here. I'm gonna show the GoPro. This is what dreams are made of. This bowfin is the biggest I've ever seen in a long time. Not ever seen, I'm just bugging. I caught a 13 pounder out of here, but that was a while ago. But this is just a perfect beast. Just awesome. There's nothing better than these things. And she's off to fight another day. Wow. That right there is why we fish. I caught a bowfin earlier today, right before this one actually, not that long ago, probably about 15-20 minutes ago. Same thing, was awesome. I was not recording. I was like, you know what, I've seen some really big ones out here, I might as well film. It's hot, it's middle of the day, it's like middle of the day, everyone's going to the beach and shit, and I'm just out here fishing and I'm catching them. I was out all morning, it was shit, and now we're on them, so it feels so good.